Okay, abusia eye Kpandai elections yeguso airdrop e ho update e de mamo yeguso airdrop e back and forth ma abusia eye court nsensem NDC review on beko eye matunya ndam ho nsensem court betwe na so ana ase ontwe na so abusia e ho nsem bebre na eye yedika bebre ki ma mo se eye EC ene NPP na aka bu ma omo pese omo yede omo de eja egu NDC chim ben yeda sore ya nioma asesa NDC legal team no egu so eye wonders eye political highway ne so abusua eye NDC mbranim ni ye friend lawyer Bidiako abusua ode ensem bebre ababetu da na nsem na ode ababetu da no abusua sisi sa gazetted document ekura NPP no abusua sisi electoral commission ababonten aba be yinsem bia no a ochese sa NPP for document na ekura mo no enye document papa fake document in the ekura mo no na ono no onim sa document no hwe abusua sisi maami je Mensa ayi NPP for ama wa surrender ama nensem odi atudwa no lawyer Bidiako I drop hot details. Credit goes to Onua TV. Captain Smart on no and it's na on an HM komo. Wa expose NPP. Ewo political highway. So I'm na yam konkuti and some course unsubscribe ya. Subscribe, like na share ma afro so ensa into me and kabi aha Gossip Politics TV so madam ase.
Asemi ba mitrim said that debi amenyo on nka mebusa na Yamin Chadi and never bay. So the by election, I don't buy.
No question.
Eti mete Kpandai said by election in Yamba, son, I'm saying, I'm going to with MP, mommy. How did you feel?
Well, so baby, chia, what you for you? Kpandai, yes. Kpandai someone be braina ni akwetia, ese papa. In fact, na ye crowd was Supreme Court, you know. Decision na omo base was so kese pa ya akwetia case no. Coincidentally no, akwetia case no me na nam ye lead counsel MNDC candidate Yewra Yadomboache. Me na di lawyer for enim edifi Kofredia High Court akopie Supreme Court. Eti minimum nsem ni ye pa. Na ade Kpandai ensem yi ba ye ya abato na se captain nsam no nipa bi nkyeremu ye.
Kpandai issues no.
Nipa nkyeremu ye. Onim Kpandai asem no. Ye ma Yewra eko file petition no. Enen nsem de kodan High Court wo Tamale no. Obo ne tofa na asem no nia ne se yato abawie. Emra no kan CI na ekire ekwan a yemfa abato no nkeka bomu a ye de be declare results no yemfa mfa so. ACI 127 no. A chair say and as all kind election petition course or Ghana Supreme Court 2013 I can say omoma judgment no say who won same be fact results ne ho first and foremost so raise your coalition center na polling station. Who raise na say near course no when anje ho ana say nyom resolve when anje ho captain na dey ato so e dey akọ High Court. But this is what happened. How Kpandai no omo ye di dwuma ne ne awie na NDC candidate no e wo issues wo polling station over 40 ho. Eno nti omo prepare say ye coalition center on be raise wo ho. Na electoral commission ahwe. Anajona na electoral commission penifo omunim say captain ka studio ha ne eba be coalition center because emrano say e define coalition center to be a place electoral commission agiatum sa ha ne no watro de ama candidates ne sa ha ne be coalition center enti muni amunhia yen wo anadona na electoral commission fo so ma sesa ba bi ye coalition no e de akọ ba bi NDC candidate no onim e no mo akọ ye no mkọkọ ye coalition e declare ye say Yewra nyindam and a win election NDC for ni ho tie
some of na koye
some na se ni ano no NDC for ni ho no mkoko declare say ye wie bibia pin sheet ni ye wie declaration sheet ni nti ye wie NDC ni no any ho so ma declare So now the NDC candidate went to court and all challenges said no. Amongst me won some 40 polling stations, over 40 something. But you see, and some I should have been given an opportunity. A war a year coalition center. Now me raise you coalition center they call baby a minimum. Baby a minimum me do obi any. And Omako could declare oh baby. Iti emre ni anso ni sombo patch emre bia the right to be heard. In yani root if the Bible we say unyankopon kran sana obua Adam for no obisa no tie no. It is the right to be heard na a principle a cardinal a law. It is court in a assembly no who say no kwasem ne say the right to be heard was breached. One mat ne kwan so we issue cry wa raise you or no. And a court and say on the basis of that and declaration we twem. It no monko you try declaration wa obi NPP unti em koto aba no fofo. Now in the file petition on sometime 2010 no. Now let me say this. Say court time rano see I ne kase say you Gazette results and answer. But you see that is a presumption. Sebe. Obi anu ho ko me ma file petition akọ the highest apex court pen. Obi anu ho court or kura Gazette notification say me dey say ya Gazette answer. It's a presumption by a rebuttable. It is a lawyer on the other side now person who raise issue say ya Gazette ya wo wasa dey say obi raise aba. Because normally to about by 7 year to by 9 year declare. It is normally electoral commission by Achekra by 15-20 before and be Christmas normal Gazette results. So Mr. Daniel Eko file, Honorable Daniel Eko file in the petition. Now came, and I have the document here. Now came the NPP candidate who filed processes or no etrimuno or say sa 23rd na Yewra Daniel file a petition sabreno near Gazette results in Tino or filing prematurely into court and was into go. And of file sa affidavit de cramming and the car na metro what there and or they come down Tamale High Court. Enti lawyer and file you on behalf of Mr. Nindam and of file and at the bar some lawyer for near which is a lawyer file at there. And then say an official document imagine I can say a fake. Enti ye who dis so lawyer be yes sir. Enti ye the son fan. Enti Mr. Daniel lawyers no who near a year Yewra Nindam then a lawyer for a file say attach an exhibit of a Gazette. This is what they found in Tamale. Say ye Gazette Kpandai election results on the 6th of January. This is an exhibit. Captain here exhibit JSE3 way in Tamale High Court. This is the exhibitor. This is the official Gazette. Omanfa we view. No the photocopy be say no the attached. This are the records in the Tamale High Court. It's here running who no say hey. Say na your Gazette results na me file a petition. Oh, yeah, not just a minute. No, withdraw. Ne petition our filing. Because when you're 6 ninti and now kind affidavit now make kind mun same biachro and no withdraw ye. Your withdraw no cost start kind 21 days from 6 because you say oh Mr. Nindam a former member of parliament and then a lawyer for ya training on the omun ditro. Intino and or withdraw ye and no start kind fee on the 6th of January 21 days. No go file a petition after 21 days. One cafe, ye di assembly, ye jinadakam, ye bisa. In fact, electoral commission, penny no jinadakam, ye bisa and say, ye then also some coalition center and this in any. Or say, I nan tokwe BSC waha, and I say, no, senti, who now so the chair, and this oak bomb, man, say, yes, son of the court, baby, for Friday, went to me and yan. Na judge and said, no. Timiam go ye, any ano muniho, need to be doing to. It's a judge, you know, I be beer, I'm mutimubi. One raise issue be a judge and a judgment. Now, a far election petition, a far parliamentary honor, and KC will court of appeal and Supreme Court.
That's right.
But you see, with this one, near quite who says some quite appeal on Belus because facts cause who election say, oh my, may be because appeal me a best share. I dance here, Mode Bar, High Court now. So they then decided to know, yeah, sir. yen hwe technicality bi ohwa no mo say eh da bi yen kra de na ye de call 6 January no kra enya papa na emom no akwatia case a ye ya mimi di anim no court no ama this is the ruling of akwatia court na ka e wa ha no me kan ba bi a chew say yen Gazette na e wa ha Ghana nia results wo no 24th December na nye 6 January no mo NPP for ye ragari ewo mu bi ono so challenge say ye 6 January no yen ye ka say 24th ma court ajatum afei omo na de 6 ko no ma dane omo ani e say 24th na ye papa etino say no 24th December and a date for Gazette at the time ye ran a withdraw ye no sa ko file based on 6 January there no he was out of time esa so omo BT no captain what you say omo BT no say we ko file no after 12 almost filing about 31 days because on the after no more kan fi 24th na e original no more 6 so fine now the Supreme Court looks at it and says on the face of the record no there because of the Akwatia case no maka e dey amayen say 24th December 19 next of filing out of time that's the majority decision of the 4-1 ye nya reasoning no ye twen say on the 6th but I suppose to say the 4 no echo with the strict interpretations on the previous ruling and na back on the case because you see I disagree with the Supreme Court and they say the court now as we call the Supreme Court only exercise a supervisory jurisdiction and no more ordinary jurisdiction now there be omo supervisory no as a court ketua bia ye bibia etiam rapa and wako into quite no sano to be questioned here judicial review. Now this is it. It is a discretionary relief. It is Supreme Court, etnasi omo he bibia fa asem no ho ansa no ma granted ni o ma ka kire o ma kire wo law school no including o conduct inti Captain Smart se sebe ukobokro no de ya de na so the ba Supreme Court ho na wasem o de crap ensan kro no na oboy nti omo granted sa relief ne ma ye kaza discretionary relief ase no so I'm amazed say uhwe sa ene nyom file wo Tamale High Court in copy ni on the 6th of January. I'll tell you something. Electoral Commission case na me ye no. Sa pet yi say ye bi the buy. Maybe them challenges say nya no kre. Ye throw letter come Ghana Publishing Company. Ni nia court no in a ruling no court no ma decision no American actual. It turned out say Ghana Publishing for nye Gazette bia 6 January. Electoral Commission ankasa so ba Supreme Court be can say omo nso enye Gazette bia 6 January. So now the question we keep asking is say na munya 6 January Gazette notification ya mo de kwada High Court Tamale munya ne. And that has been a bone of contention. And it can never happen in this country. Say, baby, na baby, come here, Sadia, we know. Omo dia fast, ye ne. Omo no stress and this before the chinchimo binsa. Sa samuno, so person who has some no cry. Yem could dia semuno. Near course who about to for technicality. But if you decide to use technicality, send ya Supreme Court. Mo this idea we call dada. Ye rano. Na mo withdraw ye. Na fe mo ma dia na mo de buy mo dwane afi ho. I've listened to Mr. Nyindam a couple of times. That was media. Ubisa no say o ho de yatra ho. Ubisa say tadie we unya wo here. O say o yatra ho Supreme Court akasa. Sir, this is a criminal offense.
Hey.
Yes, perjury. You don't when you file an affidavit. This is the affidavit. When you file an affidavit, evidence. Ubisa lawyer be obekacho.
Okay.
It once you file it, evidence. And perjury nene say, so we file it there at the court. Wouldn't sa dia na nya papa enya no kre na sa wo de kodan court perjury a second degree felony. And trust me, this matter is just the beginning. Assuming say
Supreme Court
no because the Supreme Court did not have that jurisdiction. I've heard people talk about fraud in here there isn't Supreme Court area because Supreme Court exercise only a supervisory jurisdiction, and the supervisory jurisdiction either the right to be heard and excess jurisdiction or lack of jurisdiction. And so, of course, you can, and Supreme Court is it's a very, very smart court. You see, because only the apex court. But said there for now. What we need to do, the angle, will. No, because let me read something to you. They filed a similar one, Also from ruling, also from the High Court upwards to this court, the crux of applicant's case, remained unchanged. It was this, that at the time the petition was filed in the High Court on 31st December 2024, the results of the parliamentary election had not been gazetted. They are similar. Okay. The results, according to him, was gazetted on the 6th January 2025. Let's say we are. Omono say it was gazetted on the 6th of January 2025. By law, no valid petition could have been filed. In effect, the petition of 31st December 2024 was incapable of invoking the jurisdiction of the High Court whatsoever. Consequently, all processes filed by the first respondent, the first interested party, and all other rulings was obtained. He obtained upon the petition in the trial are void. And all catcher or say, or say this provision is devoid of any ambiguity. A person seeking to, or say with the crucial facts established, the applicants, yes, or say a petition seeking to challenge the results of the parliamentary elections on grounds save an allegation of corrupt or payment of money or other reward on behalf of the one being challenged or his knowledge shall be presented within 21 days. No debate turned on the fact that the first respondent party was challenging the results on grounds that corruption of payment of money or reward was given. The petition presented on 31st December 2024 was within 21 days after the publication of the Gazette 2024. Because now the Supreme Court established, say, there was no way Ombetimi Edes Adiwe Ababa Kase Papa. Now, the central issue in this case, therefore, was when was the result of the Akwatia parliamentary election gazetted? This could only be a simple question of fact, even though the Gazette notification carried the legal effect. In his affidavit in support, the applicant attached Exhibit D as an extract of Gazette notification. On the extract, the date of the Gazette was stated 6 January 2025. The interested party filed a further supplementary affidavit in opposition on this date and exhibited this. The Electoral Commission, a second defendant party, filed an affidavit to which was attached a Gazette, the same as Exhibit 11, filed by the interested party. From the affidavit evidence, finally, before this court, it was established that the Gazette notification of number 234, dated 24th December 2024, was the valid one. And when he copied we therefore had no difficulty finding that the results of the Akwatia parliamentary elections were gazetted on 24th December and not 6 January 2020. So this is exactly what it is. It is as 6 January because Captain Unim say Oman Fasadi we ankodada court na and Mr. Nindam Mr. Daniel Ipanka on withdrawal the petition. We normally call Tamale High Court. Nema withdraw the initial petition. He received
on the 6th, no Gazette results.
Yes, or no chase on the 6th, no Gazette, or more Gazette on the 6th. There is all filing the 23rd, and there's all filing in Gazette. So the question now is, sir, when this is a photocopy of what they filed in the Tamale High Court. We will not let this rest. They should tell us where they got the Electoral Commission. So many publishing forms. So yes, so many. Baby, they should tell us.
This is your
name. And on what I will say, the second interested party filed an affidavit to which he attached a Gazette, the same as Exhibit 11. Exhibit. This is Kpandai. To any original. Na metro near maybe hwe enema omo ye no na kroi mu ohun Kpandai ni
na hu se Kpandai so
good Kpandai is in hwe number no
8123
good hwe ade wa ha enya clear papa but obe hwe ade
mame
hwe niye na dasro
esoro hin
Kpandai ni
na ono so number na was to ase no mo me twa na zooming out to the train abotama edwuma ye ya no aba Oh, you menya no say them.
Chenier.
Ghana Gazette 24 December 8123. Okay.
It has a page, you know, and I'm co reproduce ye. And now, what into the captain on the date now was we are saying
7 December.
There be 7 December and no year results. But date almost the years I did
24th
December.
December.
Into so Hannah. Omo yini enye clear but I was say we
Any 7th na so 7th December
o dem ba me trewa dey bi
what's that chairman
me trewa
we lawyer oh nyabuta ni ya no
captain ren kofo we omo ade a kofo we timi ye no. Now, the same thing on here Wakweti and two better Sakweti. You see, you know what happened? After the court ruled, we had filed a criminal way against Yura and Escumi. That's the truth. Say Ometre baby onya sa Gazette wo. It's back and forth now Nyankopon eton safren. It's unfortunate. But the same thing and I'm filing what all the cases are NDC they call court no. It is the same. The Supreme Court has not even, and they don't have the jurisdiction to go in to say, Obi we are bemo and Obi we are almost head date there. It is say, when on the court that court now, a man, Mr. Daniel, no, I would
say, and true, that's just what that court. And the document is also genuine.
For fraud, no. It's fraud and perjury. And both are second degree felonies. If you are convicted, you can never be an assemblyman ground TV debut because it borders on morality.
And say, ade we no. Munje
Captain, what else? Some week here, and Supreme Court today, reasoning never.
Okay, abusia we ne ensema ekoso e wo political highway ne so top NDC lawyer and I turning car just ode mema NPP left right center back enye asam ketwa kra Matthew Nyandam abusia eja eguni chemu no papa no say wo hwe strategies ne NDC legal team no neoma omo ya papa no say ope dade eche pa ehyeniti na enye sa na so be yehye yabara masesam je pene kokoti sa ensem we e de mi gossip politics TV. So and don't forget to click on the political, don't forget to click on the notification bell so never any updates be ever dropping or so onsa able to me akabi medamase.